Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, this move is definitely looking impulsive. I was thinking originally that we were possibly already in a wave B, but looking how impulsive that is, I think it was just another pullback to this last wave up, and just another wave in this series of higher highs, higher lows that we're looking at. I still think that we're likely in a wave B or wave two, but it looks like it might even make a run to the 50% or possibly even the 61% Fibonacci retracement. So knowing all that, I am definitely still very bullish and definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. I wouldn't be trying to go long now, but I definitely would be trying to go long at the end of a pullback like this or the end of a pullback like that. So if and when it does make another pullback, which I'm sure it will, that's where I will be patiently waiting for more long opportunities for the continuation of this uptrend. As long as we don't break any significant structure, which for me, this 4 hour time frame structure is currently the most significant. But if it breaks this 1 hour structure, that also could turn you potentially bearish. But as long as it doesn't break any structure, any move we see to the downside, we should look at as nothing more than a pullback within the uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.